Hey guys, Jonathan Her here, and in today's video I'm actually going to be reviewing cases by i-Blason and Supcase for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, not Ultra. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm actually reviewing cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, not the Ultra, and yeah, this video is kind of long overdue. Unfortunately, things happen. But with phones coming out daily, this is the phone that really didn't get any love. I guess everybody kind of hated on it and thought, well, if it's not an Ultra, then why do we even care? I'm gonna take this phone out of the case, and unfortunately, this is a dummy unit. I don't physically have the real unit here, the flat carbon body back, so this is not too far off from the real phone, but I don't have the real phone with me here. So one thing you'll notice is that this has a flat front. It's still got the feel. It's definitely a fingerprint magnet, but the main thing we're going to be reviewing is actually the case. So let's get into it. So the first one from Supcase is the UB Beetle Pro, Unicorn Beetle, excuse me. So you want to go ahead, let's get this to focus. You want to click it in and pop it into there, and I guess it's the front of the case. So you've got the shell and then you've got the back, which is a pretty nice case, and it comes in this kind of like a crimson red or scarlet red if you're a Spider-Man fan. So you look at that, it's even got this faux carbon fiber look. The case is pretty nice. If you don't mind a little heft, you definitely want something with protection. It's pretty nice. You've even got these rubberized buttons. You get the full feel, and yeah, good thing they got rid of the Bixby button on this phone, so you definitely get a chance to feel. And I went away from bigger phones, but definitely this is a lot better. And you've got your kickstand, which this thing is a beast. They're brand new, so I haven't really opened them. And if you guys stick around for the rest of the video near the end, I'm actually going to be giving away these cases to you. So stay tuned. You could be the lucky winner of one of these cases for your Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Now I know not everybody is a holster fan, but if you get a heavy duty case like this, it's kind of one of the perks. You've got a full case. It's got the traditional belt clip if you're into that. But yeah, that is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Put that back in it. If anything, it works as a kickstand, so you can't really hate on that. And let's take this case off. See if autofocus actually wants to play nice right now. It's kind of tricky when I have this overhead mount. So let's go next, and this is the Unicorn. Oh, this is the EXO. It's still from Supcase, and it has a similar design to it too. Now this is an all red design, so if you guys don't already know it, red is my favorite color, so let's get into that. And you've got to peel off the rubber to get this kind of like front backing. All the cases kind of have a very durable design, so I want to peel that off. Take the phone, go ahead, click it in place, secures around the front edge, and you slide that sucker in. And it's kind of like, if you remember the 4S on the iPhone, it's kind of like a bumper. But peel that off, and yeah, you've got a nice sleek design case. This is the clear back, so you get a chance to see the whole phone and kind of show it off. But like the other one, nice durable design. You can't really complain. And I mean, Supcase and i-Blason, they have very affordable cases, so I'm definitely in love with these cases. So let's move on to the next case. Alright, so we got that case off. Now next we have cases, or a case from i-Blason. Now just to let you know, I've got all these cases in black and red, maybe some other colors. Hit me up in the comments to find out, but definitely these cases are going to a lucky winner, because all I have is a dummy unit, and I'm not going to waste these cases for a dummy unit. I'm going to give these away to you guys. So one thing, if you haven't already liked and subscribed, go ahead, hit that like button, and as always, subscribe, and let's continue. So last but not least, we've got the Aries case from i-Blason. Let's just get this to focus. And this one's a very similar design, very simple. They share this kind of a hardened shell front. So let's get that, slide that in like all of them. And this is more of a minimalist, I guess you could say, design. So you've only got the edges, a little ring around to protect the camera bump, and yeah, and you've definitely got openings. So I didn't really get into the ports, but you've got your general ports for everything. Let me click that in. You've got your port for the S Pen, get that in focus. Got your ports for the S Pen, USB Type-C, speaker, and microphone. So you've got all your ports, and it's a nice simple case. Really can't complain. And of course, very durable. So with that being said, guys, this has kind of like been like a quick overview, and if you want any of these cases, I'm going to give away these cases to, let's see, I will flash down below how many cases I have. I believe I've got like at least 2 of the i-Blason, one in red, one in black, as well as the Supcases. Each one of them, I've got a black and a red. So as long as I get 6 comments, first come first serve, what's available, and we'll go from there. And the rest of them, just follow me on my Facebook as well as Instagram, and I'll notify you there what cases are available, and just hit me up. Now in some cases you may have to pay shipping. We'll kind of figure it out from there. I think for the most part I'm gonna do free shipping. This unfortunately only for the US, especially with the pandemic. I can't really do those rates, and Canada, yeah, sorry, duty fees are not duty free. So just go ahead and hit me up comments, and first 6 comments on the video, make sure you've liked and subscribed, and you'll get these cases. So thank you to Supcase and i-Blason. As always, I'm Jonathan Herr, and I'll catch you in the next. Peace.